This is a tutorial video on how to perform screening tests with Rosetta software. Before we jump into how to do it, I'm going to briefly talk about our docking workflow. Our docking workflow has two parts: the file preparation and the step that we generate docking documents. For the file preparation, first we have ligand file, and then you go through protonation, conformer generator, and file conversion. In this tutorial, the protonation step is already finished, so we will start from conformer generator. And after conformer generator, we'll go through a file conversion. In this step, we'll generate two files. One ends with params and another ends with PDB. The one with params, Rosetta can directly read on it, so we don't need to do anything else after it. The PDB one, we're going to use it to concatenate with protein file. For protein file, we download it and we clean it. By cleaning, I mean we remove everything else but the protein chain. So then we concatenate with the ligand PDB file. So we have a file with both ligand and protein in it. That's it. That's the file preparation. Next is the docking, to generate the docking documents. One is called XML. It's a document that we store all the docking parameters. Informations like the score function, the ligand width, area, the starting point, like that. And then we have the options text file, which provides additional information to Rosetta, telling Rosetta where my inputs are, where my outputs should go, and what kind of the data format I want for my outputs. After generate these two files, then we're ready to go. This is the folder layout. On the very top, we have the ligand protein file, the ligand protein docking. And then in this folder, we have inputs, where we're going to put all of our inputs in this place. For example, the Cas-P data, the ligand we're going to dock, and the protein, that's where the inputs are. And then we have the intermediate files, where we store all the files we generated in the process of making the files we want. And then we have, of course, we have BCL and Rosetta package, because we're going to use these two packages for our docking workflow. And then the outputs, where all the outputs will go there. And the scripts, where all the Python scripts are going to be in there, and we're gonna spend a lot of time in there, because we are going to execute those scripts to run our docking screening. So in this tutorial, we're going to use a protein 7AR5. It's a SARS-CoV-2 main protease at apostate. The ligands are already protonated to pH 7.5. So let's go ahead and jump into it.